today's video, we're going to combine our figure of eights, our juicy figure of eights, and our figure of eight variation on one side as part of the figure of eight series. Okay, so let's talk about that. If you're brand new to it, there are loads of other, these moves are broken down separately in other videos on my page in the figure of eight series, so go and have a look at those first. And you've got, learn them first and then come back and see me. Warm up first also and then come back and see me. Otherwise, I will just show you what the combination is, a mixture of the wide juicy figure of eights which we learn, which is about more, it's one of my most favourite ways to do a figure of eight, and it's very, you really live in the hips. If you really scoop the hips and you really make your shapes, and you really cascade and weight transfer through the legs in order for the hips to really flow. So it's that one, and then it's the one where we had one foot on releve. Then we do the figure of eight here. So as a reminder, the hips still go front to back, front to back, front to back, front to back. Yes? You just want releve on one foot. So we're going to alternate them. So again, please warm up first, and then come back and see me. Okay. So quick little revision. I'm going to come over here so you can see the legs. And we're going into the wide figure of eight first. So basic, just do basic figure of eight. And go from one side to the other. Make sure your weight is shifting from one leg to the other as you do it. So right now, very free. I'm not really thinking about anything other than just trying to make a figure of eight with my hip. I'm not thinking about whether it's isolated, whether it's juicy, whether it's more with my hips or with my legs. I'm just drawing figure of eight to set up the motion. Now we're going to bend more, and we're going to turn and swivel the heel in. Swivel the heel in. Swivel the heel in. And this again, as like I said, is broken down on its own in a separate video. So today we're just going to go through and combine them. To get stuck, go back and watch that video first. Okay, and then let it go. And swing your way through. And if you wanted to, you could raise the opposite heel. It's a choice. Everything in life is a choice. You can decide. Choose. All right. Okay. And now let's revisit vertical. I call it vertical figure of eight. It's not really a vertical figure of eight at all, but we're going through the motion. So from here, we're going up, and it comes through and rolls around. Front to back, 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 front to back. I'll try and face different positions for you so you can see how we do it. Yes. Let's do the other side. So same thing, classical position. And we're going to go on this side now. So up, roll through, up, roll through, up, roll through, up, roll through. Try to keep the figure of eight never ending. And watch the knee doesn't open, remember that. 3, 2, 1. Alright, so let's alternate. Let's get busy. So, let's do 4 and 4. Watch, we're going to do 1, 2, 3. On the fourth one, that leg's going to drag in. Then 4, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1. Step out. 4, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1. Last time, we'll change sides. 4, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yes. Now, we can on this leg. 4, 3, 2, 1. 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Now, if you're a bit more advanced and you feel okay with it, experiment even with your hands. Okay. So let's get the hips going first. Just stay here for a moment. Get the hips moving. And see how juicy you can make it. How much can you scoop those hips? How much much. Remember, you still need to go forward to go back. Okay. So, come and dance with me in person in my studio in London, 339 Euston Road. If you're not in London or you can't come to my classes, take them online with me instead. All my classes are filmed, so you can study with me online, with us online, and learn and progress from week to week with us. So you can still take all the levels and learn properly and thoroughly. If you like the music, it's by Tribal from the Trap, which is also my style, tribal fusion, so check it out on YouTube. They've got lots of really lovely music to choose from, so look them up. Okay, so it's 4, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1. So if it wasn't enough, let's rewind. Do it again. Otherwise, I will see you for more fun and games. Loads and loads of videos on YouTube for you to look at, get involved in. So put some comments below, thumbs up if you like it, and I'll see you around for some more soon. Bye.